Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to make playlists on YouTube, and let's get started. So you are on the home screen, you need to click on your profile picture, you will find history and playlists. You need to click on view all, and here you find your playlists. In order to create your new one, you need to scroll all the way down and click on create new playlist. First you need to add videos, and after this click on next, title your playlist and choose whether the playlist is public or unlisted or private. So then click on create. As you can see, I can't create the playlist because I don't have recently watched videos. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please make sure you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.